wanna vent, I wanna scream. I'm pissed and freaking mean. My internet is down once again. When is this gonna fudging end? I'm angry, I wanna get online. Why does this happen all the time? And when I can't check my email, I'm probably gonna go to jail, cause someone's gonna die. I just wanna cry, cause I don't have no freaking Wi-Fi. The cable company has no clue, they can't tell me what to do. I'm addicted, and I freaking quit. I'm calling my friend, I hope he can fix it.